Okay, guys. So real quick, I'm going to go through. I'm going to make this little model. Your assignment, you will be creating this one and dimensioning it out. But I'm going to create this one for the video, dimension it out, show you how that's done. So to start, I'm going to do the top view here. This rectangle, it's 2 inches by 7 inches. All right, so sketch on my top plane, rectangle. All right there should be 7, 2. Okay. All right, so go back to my isometric view. Now this should be extruded to a height, all right, right here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. So I'm going to do a quick extrude, 5 inches. So now I've got my main figure. Okay, now this figure has a couple features. All right, one, it's got this hole, all right, right there, and you can see by these dotted lines, this hole goes all the way through. So I'm going to sketch that. The center of it is 1 inch from the top, and it looks like 1.5 inches from there, and then the hole is 1 inch. So I'm going to sketch on the top. All right, I'm just going to place a circle right there. Don't click, just type in 1. All right, we've got a 1 inch circle. So now I want to dimension it. So getting my dimension tool, I click the circle, top edge, and I know that that distance should be 1. Okay, I'm going to click the circle in this left edge, and that should be 1.5. So now I've got that feature added. It's located, but we have to extrude it. Okay, now instead of adding material, I'm going to remove the material, and its height, I believe it's 5 inches. So now we've got that feature added. So if we go to the other one, we've got this circle, okay, and that circle from edge right here is that center line. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 inches from the edge. Its height looks like it's a half, 1, 2, another half, so 3 inches diameter. It's 4 inches from the edge and 2 inches from the bottom. So front view, sketch on that face. Place a circle. All right, we said it's a 3 inch circle. And now get my dimension, center from the bottom, or delete that, try again. Bottom to the center was 2 inches. Okay, and then from that edge was 3 inches. Okay, so there's a circle. Let's do my extrude. The circle I want to remove, and its thickness should be 2 inches. And now we've got that. So go back to my isometric view. I have now created this model right here. Now we want to do a drawing. So hit the plus sign, create drawing. All right, and you want to use your drawing that you've created. If you don't see it here, go to created by me. Hopefully it's there. If not, you need to go back to the last video and figure out how to add that. Ask me in class. All right, creating my drawing. There we go. Okay, maybe yours has a drop down where you can go ahead and insert your image. If not, right here, insert view, insert that part. Okay, so I'm going to place one in this bottom corner. Notice I didn't get close to this bottom edge or left edge. Go to my top, place it. Remember, we click our original, drag to the right, place it, click the original, top left, place it. So now it's a matter of dimensioning. So my first feature, I need to do the length, width, and height of the main body. So here, dimensioning tool, I'm just going to click this edge, place my dimension. Notice it's centered. Click this edge, place it, and then the height is going to be right here. Okay. Other thing I want to do, I'm going to hit escape to deselect that. I want to right click, show hide hidden lines. Okay, so that shows where this circle is right here. Show hide hidden lines. So if we look back at our dimensioning, all right, we've got this. We've got a center line we need to add. So I'm going to go ahead and add the center line. So 2-point center line. Or let's go edge to edge center line. So click that edge. There we go. And here, click this edge, adds my center. Now, if you notice, well, let's go ahead and next feature would be this hole right here. So we need a location and a size. So let's start with location. Get my dimension tool. Okay, so I'm going to click the center to that left edge. All right, right there. I'm going to drag it out a little. Let's go to this side. Click again to place it. We want that center edge from the top. Place it right there. All right, so that's its location, but now we need the size. So under my dimension, diameter dimension, I'm just going to click the edge of the circle, drag off at an angle. That tells us that its diameter is 1 inch. So for that feature, we've got a size and location. So now let's go to this one. Go back to my dimension. Let's locate it. So from that left edge, it's 3 inches. From that bottom edge, oh, so we want escape, reselect it, click the center first, then the edge. We're 2 inches away. All right, and now that it's located, we want size, diameter dimension, click the edge, drag off, and there we go. So each feature here, we've got a size and we've got a dimension. Did I use this figure at all? No. So I'm going to hit escape to deselect. Okay, I'm going to click that one, delete. We didn't need it. All right, we got all our size and dimensions in this figure, in these two images, and we've got our isometric view. Okay, down here, part. I'm going to go back to where I made the part. And I'm going to rename this. Okay, let's call it drawing 1. And remember, you guys are doing the drawing 3. Okay, so if I go back to my drawing, I can refresh. And now that part is opened up to drawing 1. Let's rename the drawing. So down here, rename MVD of drawing 1. And that updates. Notice the scales of 1 to 3. Okay, so this is not the actual size. All right, this is 1/3 of the size of the actual figure. And that's it. So I want to do a screenshot, submit that on Schoology. You'll have a good day.